Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to share how I make my simple moisturizing lip scrub with you. This is a very easy recipe made with very moisturizing ingredients that your lips will absolutely love. So I'm going to show you how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm getting started with brown sugar and all the measurements will be in the description box. And brown sugar is going to help exfoliate the skin, the lips. It has antibacterial properties. It's really going to help keep the skin radiant and healthy, and it also has glycolic acid as well. I'm going to weigh out my oils for this lip scrub. I'm going to be using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is such a lightweight oil. It's rich in omega fatty acids and vitamin E. Of course, you can use any other lightweight oil that you prefer. Next up is coconut oil. This is so good for your skin. It's very moisturizing, especially for dry skin. I'm also going to be adding a strawberry lip flavor that tastes absolutely amazing. So that's what I'm adding here. And then I'm also adding in some beetroot powder. That is completely optional. I just added in just a tiny amount just for the color. I also use some raw honey. Honey is antibacterial. It's also antiseptic and it's going to help hydrate the skin. And all I did next, I just mixed everything all in. So after mixing, I noticed that I had a little bit more oil than I normally like, so I added in just a little bit of brown sugar. Of course, with the lip scrub, you can always play around with the recipe, adjust your oil ratio to your sugar ratio depending on how you want your consistency, your texture, and how you want it to exfoliate your skin. So you can always do so much with the recipe and make changes that work best for you. And this is what my lip scrub is looking like. This is going to last up to a year. I did not add any preservatives. There is no need to add preservatives. Just avoid water from getting into your container and you should be fine. You can use this once or twice a week, and you want to be very careful when using your lip scrub. You want to use it on your lips, on wet lips. Massage carefully to exfoliate. You don't want to be too rough because you can irritate your lips. So this is what I have so far. I hope you found this recipe helpful. I hope you found it useful. I'm also having a 25% off sale on my website. This is to celebrate 1 year of being in business. So please check out the website. The link is in the description box and your support is greatly appreciated. So if you're looking for a simple lip scrub recipe to try out, then go on and try out this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments and reach out to me there. I'll do my best to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.